Waze is a GPS navigation software app owned by Google. It works on smartphones and tablet computers that have GPS support. It provides turn-by-turn navigation information and user travel, times, and route details while downloading location-dependent information over a mobile telephone network. Here's how to use the Waze. At the homepage section, you will see several options that you could check out. You can click Send Location to your contacts, Edit Home, Info, Routes, Find Parking, Plan Drive, Remove, and Add Shortcut. On Work and Favorites, you'll find similar options. On the Plan Drive, you can link it to your calendar or Facebook. One thing I like about Waze is that aside from it's free, it generally loads faster than the Google Maps. Here you can also edit your profile, but otherwise it's optional. Before using the Waze, please also make sure to check out the settings where you can customize your preferences, such as the language default and the volume. Here also you can make your own voice recordings for personalized voice directions. In the settings, you'll see the different reports such as speed camera, railroad crossing, police, crashes, accidents, traffic jams, and it is up to you to customize them. If you would like to have notifications, just open each and several options will be there. Now let's start to use Waze. Click Where to or Search. Then three dots on the upper right side will appear and it will show you different categories such as drive-through, parking, gas stations, food, coffee, shopping, and the list is endless. Once you open each category, it will give you the details that you would like to see, such as the rates and the exact address, how many kilometers it will take you to reach the destination. If you also want to use the search option using the microphone, just click that red thing or you can just simply type. For instance, I'm going to Mushrif Mall. Just type it on the search button, then it will show you the different routes that you can take and the address of the destination where you're going to. Now it will show you the different options such as routes, share drive, overview, stop, or go now. And if you are ready to drive, you can click go now. Otherwise, you can also check out the different routes where you're going to choose from. Kindly note that the reason why there is no GPS showing on top of the screen because I'm inside the building and there is no signal. One of the best things about Waze is that not only it gives you a live direction about where you're headed, it also alarms you on the different routes that you could take in order to avoid traffic congestion. Waze excels at finding alternative routes around accidents and traffic jams, especially since it alerts drivers way in advance if an accident is near. And while you're in a hurry driving, you have the capacity to share the distance and the time to your contacts in order to inform them how long will it take you to reach your destination. Waze analyzes information that it pulls in from other drivers around you and then it gives you the fastest routes possible to a location. There's so many other features that are in Waze. Feel free to start using it. Either you're a driver or a passenger, it will give you an advantage when traveling. I hope you like this video. See you again next time. Bye!